Hello friends, today we are going to discuss a collaborative whiteboard platform, Miro. Miro is online collaborative whiteboard virtual platform that enables the teachers and students to work effectively together, from brainstorming with digital sticky notes to planning and managing different educational activities. So without any delay, let's get started. Sign in here with your Google, type Miro, enter, you will get this type of window. Just click on this Miro, the visual collaboration platform for every team, and you will get this Miro board. And I have already signed in, so after signing in you will get this type of window. Just click on this new board. It gives you three boards for free. Now click on a create a shared board. After clicking on this shared board, you will get this type of canvas. Miro, again, it is asking for templates, but we will work on this blank canvas. You can use this canvas like this. I'm writing this, writing that, and you can use anything. You can write anything anywhere. You can work on this. So there's unlimited canvas. So first is select. This arrow denotes the select. You can select it. You can zoom out, zoom in, and you can change the color of your work. Or after selecting, you can just delete it. Next is again templates. When you click on this, you can choose any template according to your need. Here it is text. You can write any, when I'm clicking on text, I can write anything with this text box. Again, you can select it, you can edit it. There's toolbar as in your MS Office, MS Word. So you can change the color of this text color, or you can highlight. Here only two alphabets selected. So next is sticky note. There are different colorful sticky notes are there. You can choose any color, and then you can type anything. If I type 1, again you can choose another sticky note with different color. Then type 2. For example, you want to ask your students for a trip. You can take their suggestions with these sticky notes. And then connecting line, you can connect these with these connecting line. They're flexible, and you can connect it with different shapes. Or again, you can take this arrow, you can connect it with this arrow too. So this is connecting line. And now pen. This is also very interesting. You can write anything, or in this pen, you can choose the, you can select it and drag it, and you can change again the color, the thickness, whatever you're selecting, you can change the thickness. And one more interesting thing about Miro is you can add on any, like Google image search. You want to add any image, so you can add these add-ons to your Miro app. Like in Google Docs, you can add different applications with this Miro. Like here, and there's marketplace. You can search any add-on according to your need. And there are some more tools. Again, this is the same. So this is Miro application and we can share it with our students. After sharing, let's name it tutorial and save. So when I click on this share button, yes, we can invite our students so that they can write or they can just view, they can comment or no access. There are different options. There's flexibility of sharing. You can share according to you. So you can select then enter email and send. For example, this is my email. I can give the access to edit it and send the invitation. So in this way you can share this collaborative tool with your students and make your teaching learning most effective and interesting. So enjoy this Miro. Thank you so much.